Yes, hello. So, topic for today is the structure of the honeybee colony. So, if we talk about the honeybee colony, it is composed of three different type of the bees that include a polyandrous reproductively active queen honeybee. Thousand of the worker honeybees are there, few hundred of the drones are there. If we talk about queen and the worker, both are female caste, whereas drone are the male caste. So, if we talk about queen and worker that develop from the fertilized egg, whereas drone develop from usually from unfertilized egg, but it can also be from the fertilized egg. And next, if we see this particular picture, here you can see कि three different in a honeybee colony, three different kind of the bees are there. A large size queen honeybee is there. She is actually mother of the colony. Few hundred of the workers are there, and thousand of the workers are there, and few hundred drones are there. So here if we talk about diploid number of queen and the worker, that is 32, whereas in case of the drone the number is 16, usually 16. So queen and the workers that are female caste, drone are the male caste. If we talk about the duties of the queen honeybee, the major duties include the reproduction. She can lay fertilized and unfertilized egg. Other thing is that queen honeybee can secrete volatile chemicals. So volatile chemicals are known as pheromones here. So pheromones somewhere help in social organization of the colony, and somewhere maintain the induce the ovarian suppression in case of the workers, and somewhere attract the drones, and that pheromones are very much required for proper coordination of the colony event. And the in this diagram you can see the development of the queen and the worker that take place from the fertilized egg. But if we talk about the drone generally develop from the unfertilized egg, but under certain condition drone can also develop from the fertilized egg. That happen when queen honeybee mate with the drones of the same colony. So next if we talk here, the queen and the workers that represent female caste that develop from the fertilized egg. Fertilized egg means the egg produced by the fusion of the male and the female gamete. If we talk about drone, so unfertilized egg usually that result in the formation of the drone, and sometimes fertilized egg also. In case of the honeybee colony, the phenomenon of the polyphenism that can be highlighted. So if we see the chromosomal possession of the queen and the worker, the number is the 32. So but if we compare if the morphology, anatomy, physiology, and immunity, life cycle, and significance, so somewhere the difference is there. So that particular phenomena is known as polyphenism, that is developmental plasticity of same genomic content to develop in different way. So it is the development of or we can say the expression of the same genomic content in two different way. Next is if we talk further the duties of different caste. So queen honeybee, as we have discussed earlier, queen honeybee that duties include reproduction, therefore it regulate or modulate the strength of the colony. Second thing is that it secrete queen pheromones that help in regulation of the social organization within the colony. So somewhere coordination is there within the colony due to the queen honeybee pheromone. Next is developmental specification. It also regulate the developmental events, and queen pheromones also regulate the colonial productivity, and it induce retinue behavior. What is retinue behavior? Queen remains surrounded with group of the workers. That is known as retinue behavior. So queen pheromone also induce ovarian suppression, and queen pheromone that actually induce the foraging behavior. Foraging means collection of the food and other material. Next is queen pheromone that also control the swarming behavior, and somewhere that impose inhibition on the production of or on the development of the other queen within the colony. So next if we talk about the queen honeybee usually develop from fertilized egg. So differential genomic expression is there. Proteomics, if we talk about the queen honeybee, that is different from the workers, although the genomic content is same, and developmental specification is there. Next is if we talk about the queen honeybee larva, so the development, the egg hatching in case of queen that occur within 3 days, and thereafter larval phases. Their larval phases are usually completed within 6 days. Total 5 larval instars are there. And if we talk about the larval diet, that is royal jelly. What is royal jelly? It is the secretion produced by the workers honeybees, and that somewhere induce more production of the hormones, animal hormones, and that actually regulate the development of the queen. After, usually it induce more effect on the third instar onward. And next, total 5 instars are there in queen honeybee and in other worker castes. So next, if we talk about the pheromonal regulation, the queen pheromone somewhere coordinate the developmental event, coordination within the colony, retinue behavior, and that induce programmed cell death in the worker ovary, in the ovaries. And next is the that also induce inhibition on the pseudo queen formation and in mating. Next, so somewhere that actually queen pheromone regulate the mating also. So next, if we talk about queen honeybee, that is polyandrous, as she mate with multiple different drones of the other colony. So next is usually this mating is there within the 2 weeks after her emergence. So if we see this section of the hive, here you can see the hexagonal cells are there, and in some of the hexagonal cells C-shaped larvae are visible, and different worker honeybees can be seen while performing different duties. Some of the covered cells are there which actually carry the pupal stages of the honeybee. And next, here in different section you can see worker honeybees are busy in performing different duties. And if you see this particular picture, here you can see in the center large sized queen honeybee is there. She is surrounded with group of the workers, right, which just perform different duties like if we talk about the duties of the workers, that include construction of the hexagonal cells, food collection, honey processing, pollen grain processing, taking care of the queen, taking care of the drone, and brood production, brood caring is there. So they perform, the worker honeybees perform all the duties except for the reproduction. If we talk about the drone honeybee, their only duty is to mate with the queen, and other thing is the temperature regulation. Here are few MCQ. So first MCQ is how many chromosomes are present in queen honeybee somatic cell. So A option is 32 chromosome, B option is 30 chromosome, C option is 16, D option is 18. So A option is right here if we talk about queen, and if we talk about the workers that develop from the diploid or fertilized egg, and here the chromosome number is 32. So next question is worker honeybees are male or female caste. A option is male, B option is female. So worker honeybees develop from fertilized egg and are female caste, but development is not like that of queen because of the differential larval diet. For the queen larva, exclusive diet is the royal jelly, whereas in case of the worker honeybee, for first 3 days royal jelly is given, thereafter worker jelly is given. So thank you. This is all for today.